If you're a 9 to 5 girlie, please sit down and watch this video to the end, okay? Because I'll be teaching you a very, very simple tutorial, makeup tutorial for work, for representation, for that work event that you need to go for. So please sit down. You're not going anywhere today. In 2025, you must know how to do your makeup, okay? So please sit back and relax. My name is Olaito. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to start with cleaning our face as usual. So we need a clean canvas even after your baths. Yeah, it's okay. You can still double cleanse your face, but let me start with cleaning my face. So I'm going to clean my face to prepare my face for my makeup. So as we all know, you still have to prep your skin. Even though you are going to work, yes, you still have to prep your skin. If you're dry skin, oily skin, you prep your skin according to your skin type. I have a detailed video. I'll link it somewhere here. After that, I'm going to go in with my Closer Moisturizer. If you are new to my channel, my name is Olaito. I'm a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. Nice to meet you. You can tell me where you're watching this video from in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching this video from in the comment section. Yes, let's get to know each other. I am Olaito. Can I know you? May I know you, please? Okay, so after moisturizing your face, you let that dry too. You let it dry down. I know, yes. I'm going to use my primer, TM Essentials, mostly on all over my forehead. I want to keep everywhere still intact. Eyebrows, nose. So whenever you're priming, please avoid the under area. Do not put primer under this eye, under the eye, because that place is very delicate. Once you put a primer there, it begins to crack and separate. So you don't want any primer over there. So a very good foundation, not the one you go and buy just anyhow foundation. No, you must have a good foundation. At least have a good foundation and powder. Those two things. Let it be like original. Don't just buy anyhow. There are a lot of fake product outside, so please get to a reliable source, a reliable store, and get your products, your makeup products. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to use a brush. You don't want, this is a quick makeup, so I want to use a brush for this tutorial. I personally I personally prefer beauty blenders for my foundation, but today I'm going to use a brush for my foundation. We are in a note that we are in a hurry and we need to do a lot of things fast. So let's, and ensure that your foundation is your shade. You don't want something too light or too dark. Then make sure you blend well. Don't just apply everywhere. Once you apply in one part, ensure you blend it out perfectly first before going to another side of your face. So once that is done, then I'm going to use powder. I'm not doing too much. If you have time, you can use setting, you can do concealer, contour, all of that. But for this tutorial, just foundation, powder, and blush, powder, blush safe, because there's no time in the morning. If you want to be extra, you can use setting powder first. Some people that are very oily, so you can get a setting powder, use it all over your face with your beauty blender so that it can. So I'm just going to go into my powder now. Then you push it in, push your powder in. See, still that same brush. I can change to my powder brush, but I'm just like saying, oh, if I'm unable to get my foundation brush close to powder brush close to me. Mhm. So we're done with that. Even you can go like this and apply lip gloss and go, but ensure you use your setting spray. But if not, then we can do our eyebrows and eyeliner. So I forgot to moisturize my lips earlier. I usually use this normal Vaseline just to moisturize my lips. So I want to be a little bit extra. So I'm going to use my setting powder just under my eye. And there's no crime. You can go in with the setting powder all over your face, but this one is okay for me. And extend it to this the places where you naturally put your concealer. Just that same brush for the setting powder. I'm just trying to make this space. So brush your eyebrows upward. I have videos with detailed eyebrow tutorial, but for sure that you sharpen your pencils, it should be thin like this, thin. Then we can go. The trick is just to follow whatever you have. It should not come past this place. It should start from where your eyebrow is starting, and the arc should be here, and it should end here. So just have that in mind. You'll be surprised to know a lot of people that know how to do their makeup by themselves. Like this lady, she's up, she's up, what? Surprised. She surprised me. Chioma, Davido's wife, I saw a clip that she was doing her makeup by herself. Someone like that, you would think that she might not really want to do her makeup. She has the resources and all of that. But yes, she could do her makeup. So why not you? Yeah, so let's continue. We're done with our face, the foundation. Then the eyes, we are still in a hurry. We don't want to do too much. So just get a brush. Tap on it with your powder brush. Just apply it on your eyes. Finish. Then yeah, yep. Then that same brush just to smudge it. And that's it though. We are done with the eye. So see this creation. Just a little bit. Don't want to do too much. If you don't want, skip it though. Just use your lip gloss and go. You can use any lip color, like I said earlier. Red, pink, depending on your company's preference. But I feel this is appropriate for every organization, every office. Yes. So I'm done with the lips. So I go in with my powder again, just to ensure that everywhere is. I'm going to use this by Nia. For extra old, you can use a finishing spray, a locking spray on your face. But for today, I don't think I need it. But for the purpose of this tutorial, just to show you guys, you shake before you apply. Just apply very well, generously. I didn't want to do too much. That's why I'm not applying so much. That's that. We've come to the end. Let me do my hair well. I'll be right back. So I'm back. How do I look? You can see that the makeup is very simple and straightforward. With this, people be asking you at the office, you are looking sumptuous today. So beautiful. So I hope you learned something, one or two things today, and I hope you're going to be trying this out by yourself. And for watching, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you and God loves you all. Until next time.